Menteri Tnad Bording juga Sarkar Jalau James K. Sangma ula pentip shikilar pathai kubor bagi KUMNO ke benda ke jing Siew karam ke barangsa na ke jing Tnad Bording ke Iaid Shakhmat. Ke Sarkar Jala ke Lashimya ke loan ke Bashiajar lais pasau pesan klur tingka hapo ke Atma Nirbhar Bharat khenang ban la pendep no ya karam ke barangsa baro Jong ke Tnad Bording. Laban kerohang ni bakaram ke bala palat 6000 ars pak klur tingka bar ke jing Siew shikinong tray bala shong thai jo ke Tnad MECL ke bala kot ke pras pak sau klur tingka ke LUKHA shikat dai bhai ke rukam tray kam jo ke Tnad MECL.
That we have already availed the 1,345 crores under the Atmanirbhar Bharat, and again we are very thankful to Honorable Chief Minister for having agreed to us availing this loan. And now the situation is that we are in the process of clearing all these kind of outstanding debts that we've had in terms of power purchase dues and this is being done in a phased manner and we are in the process right now.
Hakabay day par barkawa LUKHA uni menteri ubay pedrui ke Tnad Forest and Environment ulapan pau ke jing banyaw halor ke jinglong jingman jo kanikawa ke belak kelarong barulo ang bakin salit kami ya ka habakot jong ni ubanay bad banyatai KUMNO banwan ra BIANG ke jing PYNTHYMMAI ya kanikawa.
It's something that has been brought to my notice, and I've not had the time to go and see this, see the river. And I am really looking forward to making a site visit and also to discuss with the officers on site where the river is to see how we can address this issue and how we can bring about rejuvenation of the river. So this is something that we are very, very concerned about, and I'm looking forward to visiting this site myself at the end of this month.